back. This is Nutserlar. If you're new, welcome to my beauty space. So early today, I went to check out my mailbox and guess what I got? Max Factor! Woohoo! So the first thing that I did is I quickly just swatched all of the product on my hand. Today's video, I'm gonna use all of the products or most of the products from this cute little bag. This is the look that I came up with. So if you want to see how I get this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. I've already moisturized my skin. Now I'm gonna use this Max Factor Face Affinity All Day Flawless 3-in-1 foundation, primer, concealer, and foundation in one with an SPF of 20 in light ivory 40. But obviously this shade is too light for my skin, so I'm going to combine with my other foundation. I normally use this shade. I'm going to put this on the outer side of my face, or the inner part of my face. I'm going to put this Max Factor foundation. And also down to my neck a little bit. The Max Factor foundation on the places that I want to lighten my face. Using 103 Define Buffer from Zoeva. I'm looking really white right now. Just bear with me, it worked. I'm just gonna let the foundation sit in for a while, move on to the rest of my face. I'm really excited to try this out. This is the Max Factor Brow Shaper. Brush all my hair up. And always remember to use a really light hand, especially it's the first time you use a product. It's really pigmented. I'm just drawing some strokes, following my natural hair. I feel like sometimes I really spend too much time on my brows. You're really blessed if you have full brows. I have been thinking about getting my brows microbladed for a long time. It won't stay there forever, I know that. But even that kind of scares me a little bit. I got this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Also, I have this Max Factor Miracle Glow Dual Pro Illuminator. I'm gonna use this shade here. This is kind of like concealer. I'm gonna use this as my primer. I'm gonna apply this all the way on my lid. Taking a fluffy brush and this shade over here. I'm gonna apply this as a transition. Next, I'm gonna be using this color. By using my finger, I'm going to apply on my lid. Whoa, girl. Sometimes some eyeshadow picks up better when you use your finger. This is the case. Bring it in all the way to the inner corner. Using a clean, fluffy brush, I'm going to just blend the outer corner. I'm going to try to use this applicator came from the palette. By using the pointed one, I'm going to dab on this shimmery color on the middle part of my eyelid. This is a really pretty color. I'm going to do the other side of my eye, then I'll figure out what I want to do next. Alright, done with the other side of my eye. I'm going to curl my lashes. Then I'm going to use this Max Factor False Lash Epic. Look at the brush. It's got different faces. So by applying your mascara this way, so you're gonna apply most of the product from it, and then by flipping the comb, you can kind of wiping off the excess, as in where you have too much products on. And also on the tip of the brush, kind of make it much easier to reach, the end part of our eyes. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Then I'm taking this setting brush from Real Techniques. This is my favorite concealer brush now. I'm just gonna use a tapping motion because I want the most coverage from this concealer. And then I'm going to quickly set my concealer. I'm using this All About Face translucent powder, a multitask brush from Real Techniques, and I always squeeze the brush so that it's more focused. Moving on to contouring, this brush, this toothbrush brush, Hoola bronzer. With my very, very light hand, I'm going to just blend it out. Kind of blend everything together. And then I'm going to use a 228 Luxe Crease brush from Zoeva. This is my favorite brush for contouring my nose now, and a little bit of Hoola bronzer. Using my concealer brush, I'm going to just dab the edges. Moving on, I'm going to apply some blusher by Tarte. This is Party Blush Brush from Real Techniques. And bring it to my chin, to my nose. Getting an angled brush from Bobbi Brown and picking out the darkest shade from the palette. I wanted to just create a soft wing at the very outer corner. I'm going to just put one more coat of mascara. This mascara look like falsies. I'm liking it. Using the same angle brush and the same shades, and bring the product down. Then I'm gonna get 230 Luxe pencil, and I'm gonna dab all these lower shades that we used previously. Smoke it up a little bit more. And also some mascara on the lower lashes. Moving on to the lips, thinking which one to use. I'm going to apply it on the middle part of my lid. And then I'm going to smudge it out by using my finger. Hey guys, I'm back with a little bit of accessories. I wanted to put a little bit of this golden shimmer on the cheekbone, on my cupid's bow, my nose, and my bridge of the nose. Alright, this is the result. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget that you can get all of the Max Factor products in Watsons. I want to thank Watsons and Max Factor so much for giving me this opportunity to try all the products out. and I'm looking forward for more products so that I can create more look for you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on that little notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.